What are you called to do, my beautiful divine diamonds? How do you figure out what is your true calling? What is your true purpose? I know you have it. I know that it's down there. Somewhere deep down inside, you know what it is. You know that you have a certain path, a certain purpose. And even if you don't know it, you get these impulses of things that you should be following. Rise and shine, my beautiful divine diamonds. I want to talk to you today about how you can find your purpose. And while you're here, go ahead and like this video, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And I will link my website below for one-on-one coaching, help you out of depression, anxiety, panic attacks, get yourselves out of a rut and level up your life. Right now is the perfect time for you to find your purpose. And that is because it is time to let go of the distractions. You have plenty of time to be on your own, to go inward, to feel what is it that you truly want to do. And you will start to notice. You'll start to feel a calling. And it might not start out exactly the purpose that you are meant to have, but this is an impulse for you to follow, okay? And the impulse is like a path. You will have more and more impulses, and they will lead you to your true purpose. So it's time to start listening. The more you can let go of the distractions, the more you can let go of everything that is clouding you, keeping you busy, stressing you out. And the more you can just focus on listening, listen to yourself, your impulses, your intuition will guide you. And you will start to feel, okay, you will start to feel what it is that you want to do. We all want to do certain things. What are those things that you want to do that you would do no matter what? That you have no obligation to do. Okay, you don't have any money ties to doing it. You don't have any obligations to anyone to do it. You just naturally want to do it. And that is what you need to be doing. You need to start following that, because that's going to unroll the path toward your greatness, okay? And you deserve to embody your greatness and your true power. So that is all that I wanted to say for today. Remember that the time is now, and you are so powerful.